In today's video, I'll show you how to convert text to speech in ElevenLabs and create realistic AI-generated audio in just a few simple steps. If you've never used text-to-speech tools before, don't worry. ElevenLabs is designed to be beginner-friendly, making it easy to turn written content into natural-sounding voiceovers. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account and head to the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll enter the text you want the AI to read aloud. Next, choose a voice from the available voice library. You'll find a variety of voices with different tones, speaking styles, and accents. Take a moment to preview a few options and select the one that best fits your project. Once you've chosen a voice, click inside the text editor and type or paste the content you want to convert into speech. This could be a script, an article, a narration, or any other written text. Before generating the audio, review your text for spelling mistakes and punctuation. Proper punctuation can help the AI produce smoother and more natural speech. Now click the Generate button. ElevenLabs will process your text and create an audio version using the selected voice. After the audio is ready, listen to the preview carefully. If you want a different result, you can edit the text, switch to another voice, or adjust available settings and generate the speech again. Once you're happy with the output, download the audio file and use it in your videos, presentations, podcasts, tutorials, or other content. Experimenting with different voices and writing styles can help you create more engaging and professional-sounding voiceovers. And that's how you convert text to speech in ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.